Hello guys, welcome to my channel. For the new subscribers, karibuni sana sana sana, and for the returning viewers, you're my gang. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. You remember we did the video about the renovations. Today I want to show you how the shop looks like right now. It turned out very well. The dust is gone now. Nimekava mashimo zote zenye zilikuwa zinaingiza vumbi na panya. They are locked out right now. I'm so happy with the work the fundi did. Yeah. The hardware right now. This is I'm buying the materials right now. Hizo ni mbao. I'm waiting for other things to be removed from the store. Oh, hare. Oh, sawa. So guys, I'm done buying the timbers. Sasa tunapack ndo tuzipeleke kwa shop. Hizo zenye ziko kwa nini? Hiyo moja ya ceiling yenye Muhia aliweka. Hiyo moja ni ya kuchunguka. Then we have the nails. Okay.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in hours it takes to get some power.
Kazi inaendelea. Nauliza, huyu ni yule msee? Huyu? So guys, the progress is like that. We are this far. We are remaining with that one corner over there. So the shop is taking shape. It's coming through. And then later I'll paint it white. So let's see how it's gonna be. So guys, as you can see, we are done installing the plywood. The place is looking awesome. See. Now the remaining part is the ceiling. So we'll catch up later. Yeah. Hi guys. So this is the part 2 of the makeover. Yesterday we did the plywood and what else? There was a lot of work yesterday because of the cutting and everything, but I guess today we'll be finishing up with the project. The remaining part is the ceiling and the painting, and that is what we are going to do today. So I'll keep you updated. We'll see how the day goes. So we'll be doing the ceiling up there, and then we paint this white, the side, and then we'll change this carpet to white. This is the lower tables. Right now it's in a mess. We are going to change all this. You recording? So guys, as you can see, the ceiling is coming through very well. And you compare the previous one with this one. This one is much better. You see, everywhere has been sealed. See? Meka mpaka corner. See, this is called a corner. And then, very firm. So, the work is still in progress. My guys are really trying. So, continue subscribing, guys. Your girl is happy. Like that. So we are remaining with only this side. Bakisha kidogo tu imalize. So guys, this is the last day of the project. Ndo naenda job, nimelate kidogo sababu hawa wako wamemaliza. So let's go and see how far we are. Yeah. Guys, right now we are painting the shop. We are almost there. What do you think, guys? Can you imagine this is the same kibanda that was
So guys, this is the current situation right now.
And
it's even the ceiling is not balanced.
Guys, guys, can you compare the previous Shagala banda with this one? It's like I've moved to another location. Awesome. I'm loving what I'm seeing. Are you doing the same? That is the ceiling. I decided to go with white because white brightens and it's my favorite, and it's kind of bright, and also it makes the place look bigger, kinda. If you need a plug to do this job, just DM me. I'll give you the numbers to the person who is doing this job. Okay. Yeah. So guys, we are done with the paintwork job. This is awesome. The overview of the kibanda after the paint.
Imagine the ceiling that was there. Gosh. How did I even survive here like this?
Spaces that were remaining over there. It's completely sealed. From this angle, man, can you imagine? This looks completely different from, looks like we have moved to another shop, but it's the same one that was messy. And yeah, so the fundi did a very good job.
Delete.
When the ceiling was being installed, ilipata dust mingi sana, so ndio najaribu kuwipe. See, like here, so we are wiping the dust. As you can see, as we wait to hang the clothes, I'm so excited. So sasa job itarudi kama kawaida. It has taken me 3 days to do. So guys, we have finished everything. Already tumeanza kuhang manguo. The same way I removed the clothes is the same way I'm going to return them back. Guys, kupanga in progress right now. Tulimaliza kujenga jana. So, huku chini it's a bit messy, but tutapanga pole tu. So we are sorting the torn and dirty clothes right now, and then we'll arrange them accordingly. But kazi iko sawa so far. Can you notice the difference? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For the returning viewers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the new subscribers, karibuni sana. Napenda wageni hapa. Yeah, so ndo nimefika job. I'm having my breakfast. Mahindi chemsha. So guys, You remember we did a video about the renovations. Today I want to show you how the shop looks like right now. It turned out very, very well. The dust is gone now. Nimekava mashimo zote zenye zilikuwa zinaingiza vumbi na panya. They are locked out right now. I'm so happy with the work the fundi did. Yeah. Sijafungua bado. The shop is still closed. Ndio nimefika tu sahi. The thing is, guys, every February of every year I have to do something for myself because it's my birthday month. So I like doing things that I will always remember. Yeah, and I have to do every February. I have to gift myself with just doing something for myself nice. So I thought, why not renovate this shop for this year, and then let's see how it goes.